All right, so you got a new set of binoculars. How do you get them focused and adjusted for you and your eyesight? So what we're gonna go ahead and do, if we have, let's say, both lenses open and uncovered, we're going to cover up the right lens, whether you do it by your hand or you use a lens cover like this. We're gonna look at an object that's roughly 20 to 25 yards away, and then you're gonna use the center focus adjustment to get that object, whatever it is, at that 20 to 25 yard distance in perfect clarity. Once you have that, we're gonna go ahead and cover up the left lens, open the right, and then we're gonna adjust the diopter to get, again, that same clarity. And then what you wanna do is adjust the binoculars, move them to adjust the pupillary distance between them to where you see essentially one object or one focus without seeing two different focuses. So you basically want them as one unit and be able to see one unit without any boxing or shadowing on the sides. And that's pretty much it. From there, once your diopter is set and you've done the left eye, you did the right eye with the diopter, then pretty much you're just going to use the center focus piece only to adjust and compensate depending on what distance you are looking at an object. Here's another quick tip as well. Do yourself a favor, get yourself a fine point Sharpie, and wherever that mark is in relation to what factory setting is, go ahead and make a little line just so that way if, for whatever reason, your diopter gets bumped, maybe you're out in the field, you name it, transport, it gets bumped, it's not gonna throw off your clarity or focus on the optic itself. So that's what I did. I just put a little hash mark there just to line up with that white one. Pretty easy and simple. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell on how to set up your binoculars. If you like this, don't hesitate, like and subscribe, drop a comment. Love to hear from you folks. Let me know if you have any questions. Be safe, stay vigilant.